In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your Canva email designs into Klaviyo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is come on over to Canva and we need to get the embed code. So to do this, get your template, email template, click on to share, and then from here, we want to go ahead and choose the embed option. So if you don't see it, click on see all, and it should be here. There it is there. So here's the embed code. Now you want to go ahead and click on embed, and then we want to click onto the HTML embed code. So copy that. Then from here, come back to Klaviyo, and then make sure to sign in. From here, click onto content, and then click onto create, and then click onto new template, and then choose email, and then click create. Then from here, go ahead and click on the plus icon on the top left hand corner to add content and click on HTML, drag and drop that into here. And now this is where you want to go ahead and put that HTML code or block. Now on the left hand side here, you want to go ahead and delete that and paste that in like so. And then from there, you're going to see to the right, your new template is going to be populated by your Canva design.